Hey everyone, how you going? I'm Al and I'm the founder of Simply Wall Street. I'm just going to give you a quick demo of how Simply Wall Street works, how it can help you as an investor, and how it works with ShareSite, which we have an integration with, which is very cool. So just to start off with, Simply Wall Street is a platform for individual investors who want to succeed at long-term stock investing, right? So we're all about long-term investing. And we've got a bunch of different ways that we help you. We like to help investors at every part of the life cycle of building a long-term stock portfolio. Now, what you can see in front of you is our dashboard. This is where you're going to start when you first kind of come to the app and come online. Let me just see if I can move that a bit. There we go, that's better. Cool. So this is where you're going to start when you first log in. Mine's been populated, by the way, because I've got portfolios and watch lists and things like that, which I'll show you later. But the first place I'm going to show you, which is always a great place to start, is our market insights and our kind of our market hub. So if I go here, what we give you is every week sort of insights into what is going on in global markets, and that really just helps you make sense of all of these different moving pieces in a really digestible format, and kind of actually ignore a lot of the noise that you'll see about markets, which is a bit sensationalized. So we have this every week, and it's a really, really powerful overview of what's going on and what you need to know as a long-term investor. You can also find that in our markets page, where we also have really powerful valuation analysis on every market and every industry in the world. So for example, if I was gonna look at, say, US software companies, I can come in here and I can see how the valuations of that industry in the US has changed over time. You can see they've had a bit of a recovery here, and I can also change the metric that I use. For example, if I actually prefer to look at something like price to sales for a certain industry, so this is really, really powerful, and we have this for every market and every industry. Now, we've got our discovery section, and discovery at Simply Wall Street is all about helping you regularly invest and find really great ideas. These are not stock recommendations. These are just ideas relating to different themes. So all of these themes, as you will probably recognize, are kind of active at the moment, right? The things that are, on our minds. So I could say, well, rising stocks for US dollar. So a lot of different great ideas that you can take on and possibly consider researching further and adding to your portfolio. And these are added every week. So there's a lot of great content here. We have our watch list, which is designed to help you track the stocks that you're thinking of buying. And what you can do here is you can set your own fair value. So that's really powerful. So if you've got an idea of what price you think the stock should be at, you can use that to kind of track it and drive your decision. When you add stocks in your watch list, it's really powerful as well, because if you have our mobile app or just via email, we will send you some updates, but only updates that are really important, right? So for example, you'll get really quick snapshot of earnings, things like that. For example, if the forecast's been up to date. So we try to keep it really concise and all about the fundamentals of the stock, ignoring all the other noise that you'll often receive. Portfolios are very similar. It's a way of keeping track of your portfolio, and we also have really powerful portfolio analysis. So for example, if I come down here, I can look at how my portfolio has been diversified across a bunch of different sectors and industries. And the part you may have noticed there is we have the integration with ShareSite. So if you want to link your ShareSite account to Simply Wall Street, all you got to do is click New Portfolio, and then you click Link via ShareSite here. Okay, and that's actually going to take me through to ShareSite, which will be this. Well, this is a ShareSite portfolio. This is not my real one, as you can guess. This is a test one. Go away, and it's the same portfolio now that I've got in here. So this is exactly that same portfolio coming in from ShareSite. So that is how that integration works. It's really powerful. Now, the big one that we have that we're quite well known for is actually our company reports or our analysis. Okay, so for this, you can search up here for any stock in the world, in any country, and we have this really, really in-depth visual report that looks at every different area of a company, very much from a long-term kind of buying the business perspective. And one of the things that we're really well known for is this snowflake, which is a visual snapshot of a company. So it's just a really quick way of seeing, well, what does this company look like as an investment, and it just helps you identify that, especially if you're looking at a big list of companies. And within this report, I won't have time to go through it, so come and explore it. But some of the most powerful sections are the valuation section, where we are helping you understand the value of a company and looking at it from 6 different kind of ways that you can value a stock. Each of those ways are independent, and each of those ways factors in growth, which is one of the most important things and worst understood ways to sort of look at valuation. So really, really, really powerful stuff. So I will leave you guys to explore this, have fun. Remember, Simply Wall Street has a free plan, so you don't need to pay. So you can literally get started today. And yeah, happy investing.